So hi guys, I'm Karthik. Today in this video we will learn about some of the basic and important commands we need to know in Kali Linux um, for performing ethical hacking. So without any delay, we'll start this video. So these are some of the basic and important commands. So if config, so this is used for uh, knowing the IP address of our Kali Linux operating system. And ls command, this will give you some list of folders and files, and cd command. So this helps you in changing the directory, and this will help you to know about in which path you are currently working. So this pwd command will help you to know in which directly you are presently working in. And next su command. So this command changes our account from user, I mean normal user, to uh, super user. Okay, so what will the difference between the normal user and a super user? So if you are performing some of the like if you are entering some of the commands, so in a normal user, sometimes in very rare case it shows you permission denied. Okay, if you are a super user, you can run any command without any permission denied message display. Okay, so that will be the main difference between a normal user and a super user. Okay, next git clone command. So this command is used to clone and install the tools. Okay, this is very important command. I'll show you how to use this. And next change mode plus x command. Okay, this command gives permissions to run, okay, to some specific tools. And bash command, so it runs the file. Okay, and dot slash. Okay, this is also same like bash command. Okay, instead of bash you can also use dot slash. Okay, next control plus c, so it brings the user from a particular working file. Okay, this is like nothing but exit file, like exit command. Okay, next nano and cat command. So these commands are used to read and write. Okay, to read and write. Next apt get upgrade command. So this command is used to update the packages. Okay, next apt get install command. This is used to install the tools. Okay, next hyphen help command. So if you don't know how to use a particular tool, this is used to, I mean, if you enter the tool name and give a space and enter this command, this will show you about how to use that tool. Okay, so it is nothing but it shows you, it gives you help. Okay, it helps you in order to use some particular tools. Okay, next pip install command. So this command is used to install some of the Python packages. Next, make directory command. Okay, mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. So if you want to make a new folder, okay, if you want to make a new directory, you can use this command. Okay, you can make a new directory by using this command. Okay, next cp. So this command is used to copy the folder. And mv command. So this is the command used to move the folder. Okay, so these are some of the important commands we need to know while performing ethical hacking. Okay, now I'll be showing all these commands here. For that, you need to open your terminal. Okay, the first basic command you need to know is if config. Okay, if config. Okay, if I enter this if config, see here I can able to see my Kali Linux operating system's IP address. Okay, so you have to remember this. This is just like a fingerprint of your operating system. Okay, now I entered exit. If I enter exit, and if I press on enter, if I hit the enter button, see everything will be uh, gone. Okay, whatever the operations I have done before, everything will be gone. Okay, now I want to practice one more command. Okay, if I want to practice one more command, what is that? Next, list command. Okay, ls. Okay, if I type ls here, just wait a second. If I type ls, okay, it will show all the files. Okay, all the directories present in Kali Linux. Okay, what are the directories here? Desktop, documents, downloads, Kartik, my files, and music, pictures, public, templates, videos, and Zfisher. Okay, this is a tools. This is a tool which I downloaded by using the command Git Clone command. Okay, now I want to change the directory. For that, I need to enter cd. So in which directory I want to move here? For example, I want to move into Zfisher. Okay, for suppose if I want to move into Zfisher. Okay, here I'm entering Zfisher. Okay, I entered Zfisher and I hit on enter. Okay, now see here, I am in the Zfisher directory. Okay, so in this way you can able to change the directory by entering into a list. Okay, now if I want to change the mode of the Zfisher, okay, for that you need to enter chmod, change mode, give a space and place x. Now type zfisher.sh. Okay, .sh is very important. For every file, you need to enter .sh. Okay, now hit on enter. Okay, now enter this command bash zfisher.sh. So if I enter this command, the file will run. Okay, uh, not if you don't want to use this bash command, you can also use uh, slash zfisher.sh. So that is also a same like bash command. Okay, another command, but same like bash command. Okay, it will also same perform what bash commands or bash command do. Okay, if I hit on enter, see zfisher is going to run. Okay, now just press 00. Okay, I entered. I came back. Now I want to exit. Yeah. Now open the terminal. Now I want to use pwd command. Okay, this pwd command will show you in which directory you are presently working in. So for example, I entered list and I want to go into this folder. Okay, this Karthik folder. So change the directory into Karthik. And now I'm presently working in Karthik directory. So I don't know where I am working. So for example, I forgot the directory which I am presently working in. So I have to enter pwd. Okay, and hit on enter. See here, this shows the path or the path of the directory. Okay, in which I am presently working in. So in the root user, I'm currently working in the Karthik folder. Okay, this has displayed here. Okay, this pwd command shows in which path we are exist. Okay, next, just to press enter. It's it, enter. Okay, then next, next is git clone command. Okay, so here just enter git clone and just whatever the tool you want to download, you need to paste that particular URL here and just to press on enter. Okay, so uh, whatever the tool you want to get download, you want to download, that tool will be downloaded. Okay, don't worry, I will show you. For example, I'm opening my Firefox. Okay, now I'm opening my Firefox. Okay, here. Now I want to open a new tab. Give me a minute. Close all tabs here. Now just enter zfisher dot github. Okay. What happened? Server not found. Let me use Google for this. Here. zfisher dot github. Okay. I think this will display. Yeah. So this is a official page. Okay. Here you can read some instructions. This tool is made for educational purpose only. Author will not be responsible for any misuse of this tool. Okay. You must have to remember each and every caution before using tools. Okay. So I entered into this URL and just wait. So can you see code here? So it is loading, just wait for a few minutes. Okay, no problem. Even though it is not showing the result, you can copy this. Okay, you can copy this URL. Okay, can copy this URL and come back to the terminal. Okay, here I have entered Git clone, and now give a right click and paste the selection. Okay, you can also enter shift at the same time inspect inspect. Okay, now paste the selection. If I enter if I hit on enter, all the files related all the files related to zfisher will be downloaded in my computer. Okay, in my Kali Linux operating system. Okay, hope you have got about this git clone command. Okay, next bash command Ctrl+C. So Ctrl+C. So it brings the user out of the working of a file. Okay, for example, if I'm working in particular file, okay, now I want to exit from that. Okay, now I want to exit from that particular directory. Okay, uh, let me open command. Let me open terminal here. Yeah, okay. List. Sorry. List. Here I want to go into documents. Now I want to exit from this. Okay, just enter Ctrl+C. Just wait a second. You can also enter exit if you want to exit from the particular file. Okay, so that is a shortcut. And for example, if I want to so where I can use Ctrl+C. So that is a main doubt, right? So let me show you how to do that. Okay. Sorry. I am in the zfisher directory. Here I want to change the mode. And here I want to run the zfisher. Okay, this is a particular tool. This is used for social engineering attacks. Okay, I want to clone Facebook. Okay, here I want to use Facebook. Just wait a moment, it is loading. Okay, I want to choose Facebook. I entered here. Now I want a traditional login page. Okay, I want to choose cloud fade. Okay, So waiting for the login info. So click Ctrl plus C to exit. Okay, in this particular cases, we are going to use Ctrl plus C. If I want to exit from this particular tool running, so I just enter Ctrl plus C. Okay, now see, now again I am directed into the Zfisher. Okay, Zfisher director. So in this way, you can able to use Ctrl C. Okay, Ctrl C command. That is the function of that particular command. Next, Nano and Cat command. Okay, Nano and Cat command. These commands are used to read and write. Okay, read and write in particular file. Okay, let me show how to use them. So, for example, there is a list, and in that list, I have a folder. I went into that folder and move this folder. For example, I entered MV, and so I am telling about Nano command, right? So Nano. So if there are any text files, it displays the message. Okay. If there are any text files, it displays the message. Okay. Right now there are no currently there are no text files here. That is why it is not displaying. Now I exited. Just wait. Sorry. You can able to write. Okay. By using Nano command, you can able to write anything in this directory. Okay. Just close this terminal. Now open a new terminal and cat command. Okay, this will help you to read the particular text file. So I entered some data right in the Karthik directory. Okay, now I'm going to that directory. So I want to read everything present in the Karthik directory. Okay, just wait. Just wait, let me open it again, try and try again. Okay, so right now there is no there is no text file to read, so that is why it is showing no such file or directory in the card. Okay, so next command, we'll go for the next command, that is apt get upgrade. Okay, apt get upgrade and apt get install. So these are the two tools that actually used to update the packages and install the tools. Okay, so for installing the tools, I have shown the best command, that is Git Clone, and whatever the tool you want to download, go to Google and copy the URL and paste it over after the Git Clone by giving some space and hit on enter. So in that way also you can able to download your desired tool. Okay, no need of using these tools. Okay, so if you want to upgrade if you want to upgrade these tools, you can just enter apt slash not slash apt hyphen get space upgrade. Okay, in such cases your tools will be upgraded. Okay, these two tools are not more useful. Okay, next we'll go to help command. Okay, now I want to know about help. I want to use Zfisher for this. If I don't know how to use a particular file, I'm going to hit enter there. Okay, just like, just wait. Just wait, just wait. So So for that, you actually need to enter this way, this way. So let me type cp and just enter help. Okay, slash slash sorry hyphen hyphen help. Okay, this will help you to know about one particular tool, how to use it. Okay, next next command is uh, make directory. Okay, make directory command. First of all, we'll know about pip install. Okay, pip install we don't use that much because pip install is used to install the Python packages. Okay, Python packages. If you want to become a pro in ethical hacking, you must have to download Python packages. Okay, for that you need to enter uh, pip install. Okay, pip install and hit on enter. Okay, so then you can able to download the Python packages. Okay, I'm entering pip install. Okay, if I hit on enter, all the packages related to Python will be downloaded in my Kali Linux operating system. Okay, next command is mkdir. Okay, for example, these are the different kinds of list. These are different kinds of files available in my list. So I want to make a directory. So just enter mkdir and space, or give the file name, give the new file name that you want to create. Like I want to create a file with the name create. Okay, now I think I have created the file. Let me open that. Change the directory into create. Okay, now see a new directory I have created. Now I am presently working in the directory. For example, if I want to know the path, just enter here pwd. Now it will show you the path that I am in. So root and create. Just enter ls command. Sorry, exit and open the terminal. Just wait in the terminal and click on enter ls. See, can you see create here? So I have created a directory with the name create. Okay, so next cp command, copy command, and mv command. So these commands are used to copy and move a folder. Okay, so these things are not that much useful. So I hope you have known about the different kinds of imported commands we use in Kali Linux. Okay, thanks for watching.